So, guys, welcome to this lecture. This is lecture 0. Now, this is the first lecture for differentiation. In this differentiation, we will cover various topics that we will discuss in this video. First of all, we will look after the reference book. So, the reference books are first one is University Calculus and this is Early Transcendentals. This is fourth edition. And this book is written by Haas, Heil, Bogacki, and Thomas. Now we have the other reference book. So the other reference book is this is James Stewart. Calculus. Eighth edition. And the other reference book, that is the third one, is Thomas Calculus. And this is of 14th edition. Now, here we have these reference books and we'll start the lecture. And in the lecture, we'll be discussing the topics that will be covered in the coming lectures. So, first of all, we'll start the lecture with the topic. So, first topic we will be discussing here in coming lectures will be tangent lines and the derivative at a point. The second topic is the derivative as a function. Third topic is differentiation rule. Fourth topic is the derivative as a rate of change. Now we have further topics, that is derivatives of trigonometrical function. Now the other topic is the chain rule. Following we have implicit differentiation. Now the other topic after this is derivatives of inverse function and logarithms. Next topic is inverse trigonometric function. So it is further these are the topics. Now after inverse trigonometric function we will be dealing with the related rates. So here the next topic is the related rates. After this we will be going to discuss linearization and differentials. So it is further we will be discussing rates of change in the natural and social sciences. So we have these topics. In lecture 1 we are going to see these topics. So here is the syllabus that we have discussed in lecture 0. These are the reference books and we have these topics. This one, this one, this one, this one, and these are the topics which we will discuss in further lectures. So thank you for joining with Maths Bolo.